Please guys, share, like and subscribe to my channel, and please watch the full video so you can understand all the details, because it has specific details in every dish that I make actually. Hello guys, welcome again in a new dish. Today we're gonna make roasted chicken. It's very quick and easy dish, but it will take time in the oven. So let me introduce for you the ingredients, guys. So we have 1 kilo and 200 grams of chicken. We have olive oil, we have salt, we have here cumin, we have turmeric, we have here coriander, we have white pepper, we have here rosemary, dried chili that you put in the oil. Later on we're gonna open it inside. Then we have garlic. We're gonna try today the cardamom seeds. This one actually they use it in the rice and they make an Arabic coffee. So today we're gonna use it here. We're gonna try my version as always, guys. So I believe that the kitchen is not Quran, so we can put whatever we want. So, and then we have this leaf, okay, this bay leaf. It has too much benefit for the body, and it's like good for the stress, it's good for the urine. If you have some problem, you're good. It's for many things. Anyway, let's start, guys. So the first thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix all the ingredients. We're gonna mix with the chicken. So here, guys, we're gonna mix our ingredients together. So first thing, we're gonna put the olive oil. Then we're gonna put the salt. The salt is 1.5 spoons salt. We'll put the cumin. Then we'll put the turmeric. Actually, the turmeric is very good. It's very helpful for any infection. It's very good for the health. So 2 teaspoons. We have here mixed seasoning. Then we have white pepper. And then we have here the rosemary. Rosemary I prefer to make it like this, better, because it's dry, and if you have fresh it will be more better. So like this the smell will come out and it will be more tasty. So we will mix our ingredient together. We will put the chili. Chili, you must open it like this so you can clean it. We're gonna use this bowl for the chicken. Here we put our chicken, and then we will put our seasoning on top. And then try to mix very well. Let the seasoning go everywhere in each part of this chicken. So better to use gloves, because you cannot touch the chicken. It has turmeric, and your hand and your nail will be very dirty, and it's too much yellow. always wash the gloves first. So we can mix it very well. Use your hand like this. See, now it's different. You can mix very well. So we can also put our chili inside. Okay, it's better by hand. Okay, then we'll put the bay leaf. And then we'll put the garlic without peeling it. Okay, we'll just little bit crush it by hand like this, then put. And then we'll put the cardamom seeds. Okay, then we will try to put the sauce inside. Then we're gonna close it. Okay, you make a hole here. Okay, and then you can just close, put the feet inside here. Okay, and the other feet also you can put it inside like this. So it's close. See, this is our chicken. It's with seasoning already. So we're gonna give this one for 15 minutes to rest in the fridge to absorb all the seasoning that we put. Okay, we'll just put it like this to absorb all the seasoning that we put here, and then after that we're just gonna put in the oven. But before this one, while this one is resting, got some vegetable that we can eat with this one. We just use some tomato, the green bell pepper, and chili. That's it. So we're gonna maybe fry a little bit French fries later. While this one is resting in the fridge for 15 minutes, we're gonna prepare our vegetable. So here our vegetable, what we're gonna mix with this one: bell pepper, this one I will fry it, and that one I will mix it with that. So this is what we're gonna use with that's what we're gonna use with our vegetable. We're gonna use the olive oil also, just to seasoning our vegetable. We're gonna use black pepper. This black pepper, little only, not much. And then we have here salt. And then we're gonna put salt in here, especially if you're gonna fry the chili. You'll cut like this, open it like this, and then get the salt like this, then put here, close, move it up and down. It will be seasoned inside, little, not much. It will be more tasty later when you're gonna fry this one. Without salt, it doesn't have that good taste. And then we're gonna put the olive oil on top. We're gonna mix this one. So now we're gonna keep this one to absorb again, like 5 minutes is fine for the vegetable. We will not put it now. We will just we'll just put the chicken in the tray, then we gotta put it in the oven, okay, for 30 minutes. When it's the chicken, it's almost cooked, okay, we're gonna put the vegetable. So here the tray when we gonna cook our chicken. So you're gonna place it like this in the middle. Then we're gonna put some water here. Okay, we will not throw this one. We'll put some water here. Okay, and then we're gonna put it in the tray. And okay, so we gotta put the water in the tray so it will not stick and burn. So still the water will give a little bit steam because we will not cover the chicken. So that the chicken doesn't need to cover because it will be cooked by the skin. Okay, so this one, guys, we're gonna put it for 1 hour in the oven and the temperature will be 250. For sure, if you have stronger oven, the heat is more high, you can just put it in 40 to 45 minutes only. But for my oven, I know that it's not that strong, so I'm gonna put it for 1 hour for 250 degrees. But first thing, I'm gonna put it for half an hour. So after that, I can add the vegetables here. We will be back, guys, after 30 minutes to put the vegetable in the tray and to put back again our chicken in the oven with the vegetable for sure, so it will be cooked together. Here, guys, our roasted chicken. Small after half an hour in the oven. So now we're gonna put the tomato. We're gonna put the vegetable. Now we're gonna put it half an hour to finish the cooking. Here, guys, our chicken. So we take it out from the oven. This is how it looks like. It looks yummy. Here, our roasted chicken. Look amazing. With French fries, the chili is in the wing, and we have the vegetable here. So, guys, I wish you liked the video and I wish you will try it at home. Give it a try and try until you will succeed. Try to share the video with your family and your friends. And any question or comment, just drop it down. I'm gonna reply any question. Thank you for watching and see you in the next dish and next creation.